You know how I feel. How I've always felt. I still love you. But do you love me?
There are definitely worse jobs I could have. I work as a sound engineer on the soap opera All My Days. I like to think of being a sound engineer as kind of like being a painter, but instead of a brush and palette, I use a hypercardioid shotgun condenser microphone and a portable audio mixer. It's pretty cool. I can get into some strange places, I have to admit. But I don't mind, because it's all for the craft, right? I definitely did not see myself in such exotic locations. It's not all sunshine and roses, though. I have to deal with Derek.
Actually, get to keep this.
Okay. Derek is our other
They're
sound
gonna
guy.
take it from me later.
Derek, John wants to talk. He's supposed to be this big hotshot, but I don't really see what all the hype is about.
Yeah, let's do it.
What the heck, man?
What? Kyle. That is Kyle. Yeah. He uses a hypercardioid shotgun microphone. Amateur.
Man, I hate that guy.
You guys.
I have tried other aspects of film, but nothing really clicked to me the way that sound did. I actually occasionally serve as a gaffer on some episodes of the show.
Lower. 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 A little lower. Lower.
It's just not as much fun. Plus, as a sound guy, I get to become so close with the cast because we share in all these intimate and close moments. Oh, you have a secret confession of love? I hear that. A small, tender moment so intimate that even the smallest disturbance could ruin it? I'm right there with you. It may not be the most glamorous job out there, but I get to work with some of the most interesting and fun people in the world.
Well, we haven't done scene 8 yet. So.
When people ask me who I am or what I do, I get to smile and say, I'm Kyle, and I'm a sound guy. And that's pretty cool.
Don't do that.
You can come a lot closer, Ian.
Hey, what's that? Stop you from saying.
One more.
Lower. Lower.
Courtney?
Scene 13, shot 1.
That was stupid, because I didn't say shotgun.
Derek's a jerk. Derek is such a dirty skunk.
Just look at Jeff.
Man, I hate that guy.
You couldn't keep a straight face for that one. Alright, we'll cut that.
It's like,